Welcome back to Rituals. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Rituals. This is Rituals Money Talks, and today's topic is when to invest. I know you guys have a lot of questions about that. When do I actually invest? When's the best time to invest? So, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Rituals Money Talks. Let's get right into it. Okay, this video is going to be short, sweet, to the point. With that being said, go ahead, give this video a like from the jump because it's beneficial to you. And go ahead, subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell so you'll be in a loop when I post new videos like this. My channel is about car content, money tips, and sneaker reviews. But we're going to focus more on the money tips on this channel because I know the financial aspect will be more beneficial to those who are watching. So if you want to know more about money tips, financial tips, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button. With that being said, let's get right into the video. No more delay. Okay, so the question is, when is the right time to invest? Well, here you go. Before you invest, you need to focus on increasing your income. Before you invest, you need to focus on increasing your income. While doing so, you need to also focus on decreasing your expenses. So once again, increasing your income, decreasing your expenses. Increasing income, decreasing expenses. Okay, and when you do that, you invest the rest. Okay, so once again, increase your income, decrease your expenses. That remainder there, you invest that. But before you invest, there's another step. Before you invest, there's still another step. And that step is, if you have any credit card debt, high interest, you need to really focus on eliminating that. Focus on eliminating high interest credit card debt. That is a major thing. Because when you have high interest credit card debt, no matter what you're gaining in the stock market or whatever, suppose if your credit card interest rate is above 20%, and I believe the average credit card rate is between 15 to 29%, somewhere off in that range. So, as you know, a good return on investment is 10%. So if you're paying 15 to 29% on a credit card, but you're investing your money only getting like 10% on a great day, you're still 5% behind on debt, paying your credit cards. So remember, eliminate that credit card debt, eliminate it, high interest. And also, when you do that, there's another step before you really get into investing. And here's a major one. So are you listening? Are you listening? Okay, while you're listening, hit that thumbs up button right now. Hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button one more time. Okay, so we got that out the way again. So with that being said, here's the big one. The key is save 6 months emergency fund. So once again, calculate how much your expenses are for the month. That's mortgage, rent, car note, gas, utilities, what it costs you to eat, any miscellaneous things. Calculate that, what that actually costs you for the month. Take that, multiply it times 6. And that will give you a 6-month emergency fund goal. That's how much money you need to have in a personal savings account for emergencies. I recommend you having 12 months though, for a whole year. Especially what's going on now in these trying times. It's best to have a 12-month emergency fund. But if you can, at least have a 6 months. So calculate what your expenses are for the month. Multiply it times 6 to get you your 6-month emergency fund. And if you can, multiply times 12 and aim for the 12 month, the 1 year emergency fund goal. Once you have that set aside, do not use that money to invest. Do not. That's strictly for emergencies only. Not to get food, nothing like that, unless you ain't got no job, and then that becomes emergency. But emergency only. Lose your job, employment, stuff like that. You use that money to pay your bills. That gets you through for the year. That's why I recommend a year. But once you have all that out the way, now it's time to double down on investing. Seriously, get into investing. get stocks, learn about the stock market, do research, learn how to invest. I'm going to be making more videos on how to invest, what good books there are to read that teach you how to learn how to invest, what type of stocks you should possibly be looking for. I'm not a financial expert, but I know my stuff. I'm not a financial guru, but I know enough to let you guys know that this stuff works, okay? Life experiences is the greatest teacher. But once again, when to invest, this is when you invest. You invest when you increase your income, you decrease your expenses, and before that, you eliminated credit card debt, high interest credit card debt, and you have an emergency fund of 6 to 12 months. After you have those things in order, go ahead and get to investing. If you are at those levels right now and you have not started investing, I'll leave the link below to Stash App as well as Robinhood. If you use Stash App, they give you $20 towards a stock. Once you enroll and you purchase your first stock, they give you additional $20 to use towards another stock. If you choose to go Robinhood, when you enroll and sign up with them, they give you one free share of stock, and they pick the company, and it could be any company. It could be Apple, any company. They pick though, but who cares? It's like free money. They give you a free share of stock. So I'll leave the links in below. Once again, this was when to invest. You guys had that question. I provide you the answer. There you go. With that being said, thank you guys for watching Rituals today. I hope you enjoyed another episode of Rituals Money Talk. Got a lot of other episodes coming your way. So once again, thank you. Appreciate your support. And love and peace. And we out.